Stories are the basic building blocks of the human experience. Stories, as we can tell, are rooted in the beginning of our existence. They are a divine form of communicating values and ideas. The entire human experience is story layered upon story. To be Christ-like is to be a storyteller, which gets me to this central point. How can we harness the divine power of story in our personal lives? We need to learn not to compare your story with others. Doing so will only lead to sadness and frustration. Whatever their journey is, that's their journey. It is not yours. You have your own. It is different, but it is just as important. Imagine how different our world would be if Matthew or Luke never included the Savior's parables in their text. Imagine how different our faith and our world would be if Joseph Smith never put quill to paper and wrote out the first vision and never published it. A story lives only through its telling. To harness the divine power of storytelling, I challenge each of us to live our stories and to love our stories. And that can be a difficult thing to do. Don't fall into the dangerous and destructive belief that you are the antagonist of your story. There are moments for all of us where self-doubt, a lack of self-confidence, or self-destruction leads us to believe that we might be too flawed to be considered our own hero story. I urge you to reject that thought. You are a purposeful, divine creation of the most powerful being in the cosmos. Understand that you are the central character and the hero of your own unique story, and that the choices that you make shape the story as it unfolds in your life. Your story matters.